Hi, I'm Billy, a senior tax researcher at H&R Block. Today I'm going to walk you through how to file for a tax extension. You might think if you file a tax extension, it's a bad thing or that it's difficult to file. I'm here to tell you not to worry. Filing a tax return extension is easier than it seems, and if you're at risk for missing the tax deadline, an income tax filing extension is definitely a good thing as it keeps you from getting a late filing penalty, also known as a failure to file penalty. First, let's be clear. A tax return extension gives you more time for the paperwork, not more time to pay. Not sure if you're owe? Use H&R Block's tax calculator to see if you're owed taxes or should expect a refund. If you owe taxes, be sure to pay them at the same time you file to get an extension on your taxes to avoid a penalty for not paying. Now, let's go over how to get an extension on taxes. You simply file a tax extension by submitting a short form called Form 4868 to the IRS. If you work with an H&R Block Tax Pro, they'll do this for you. Or you can use H&R Block online to e-file your tax extension yourself by simply answering a few questions. Be sure to submit your tax filing extension and pay any taxes due before midnight on tax day. Once you file your tax extension, you've got 6 months to submit your full tax return with the IRS. Running out of time? Head over to hrblock.com to start your tax filing extension today.